Tricia, I see you're back in the rose garden. This certainly is a pretty one.
Oh, isn't it, Danny? I like it too, and I thought I'd give a try at propagating.
Oh, so you're going to try to duplicate this plant?
Well, I am. You know, I've propagated a lot of other plants in the yard, but never a rose. So what I'm going to do is you have to find a node, a healthy one here.
A node is?
A node is where a bract comes out, a leaf bract, like this
okay.
5-leaf bract here.
Okay.
So I'm going to cut below this leaf bract here, but this node.
Mm-hmm. Now, why would you choose one here instead of maybe one down below?
Well, you want to get a stem that is about the thickness of a pencil. Mm-hmm. This is right on the border. It could be a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to go 3 nodes up, and that's going to bring us right here. Oop, there we go.
And that's all you end up with?
That's all I end up with. Well, not only that, I'm going to take these off.
Why is that now?
Well, because if you don't take them off, then whatever energy is left in this stem is going to go to keeping this growing, and we don't want that to happen.
Okay, any time of the year better for doing this?
Yeah, actually, the best time is after a heavy frost or whatever somebody's personal spring is, wherever they are in the States.
Okay.
So what I need to do is dip this in a growth hormone, a root hormone. Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's it. You just dip it in.
I see.
And then we're going to put this stem into this soil.
And that's all there is to it?
Well, that is all there is to it. You just want to have that node nice and safe in there and give it a try. Obviously, this is kind of a hit or miss proposition. So the more of these you try, the better your chances are for success.